CR 2207, State of Texas versus Lydia Joanne Montalongo. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense?
Your Honor, good morning. Frankie Sandoval on behalf of Ms. Montalongo.
And are you Ms. Montalongo?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, probation, this is an application. Ms. Montalongo, did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Judge.
Court will find that the state. All right, Mr. Deleó, we have some issues. Probation.
Judge, I just want to update you. He submitted a negative UA today.
Okay. All right. So, Mr. Deleó, we have issues with you. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. So why are you not doing what you're supposed to do? Why do I need to set a compliance hearing for you to get you to take a UA and get you to do what you need to do? No.
Right here, the judge isn't just asking questions, she's laying out the fork in the road. This is probation court math. Follow the rules, stay free, or ignore them and do every single day behind bars. And yes, in state jail, there's no early release magic.
I mean, here's the thing. Do you want to go to the state jail facility for up to 2 years?
No.
And guess what? State jail facility, when you get sent, if you get sent for 2 years, you do the entire 2 years. You, of course, get credit for any time that you've served, but at the state jail facility, it's day for day.
This is a key legal moment. Day for day means no parole, no shortcuts, no good behavior escape hatch. When the judge says 18 months, she means 18 calendar pages ripped straight off your life.
Time. So if you get sentenced to 18 months, you're doing 18 months. You can mark it off on the calendar. So the question for you is, if you just want to call an end to this all, I'm fine with that. These are choices that people make. And if you want to go to the state jail facility, I will send you to the state jail facility and we will be done. And guess what would end up happening? I would move on to the next case, and your mom and stepfather, they'll be like, it's a shame. My boy's going to the state jail facility, but these will be the choices you've made. How old are you?
22.
You're 22. You should know better. If you don't, I'm telling you, there are consequences for actions. Do you understand?
Yes.
This is the last time that we're going to have a conversation where I am talking to you about not following through on what you're supposed to do. Do you understand?
Yes.
Now, why are you not doing what you're supposed to do? Because you haven't completed your theft course.
I've only finished partial, this first one. I'm gonna start the second one next month. I missed the start for this month, so I will get the second one then by next month.
All right. And why haven't you done community service?
As she told me, they usually require you to finish your classes first before.
All right. And then why are you failing to test?
Just didn't show up for the last one.
No, they're saying that you didn't submit December, January, and March. So why are you not showing up for your drug testing?
I showed up for the last, before this one. I don't remember exactly what the last date was for the last one that I did. And then the most recent one that she had me do, which was this one.
Okay, so why are you having trouble showing up? What's the issue? I don't understand.
No,
Do you just feel like something else is more important?
Notice what's happening here. The judge keeps asking why, and there are no real answers. In probation court, excuses don't move the needle. Documentation does. Missed tests aren't mistakes, they're violations.
So then why are you not doing it? Because it's on your calendar. I'm supposed to go take a UA on this one, December 12th. So what was more important than you taking your UA? On January 12th, what was more important than you taking your UA? I'm sorry?
I'm still nothing on.
On March 18th, what was more important than you taking your UA? Here's the thing, if you're being lazy and not taking your UA, then guess what? You don't have to take a UA at the state jail facility. You understand? When something is important, guess what? You treat it like it's important. And everything that you do from here on out, I know you're 22, so this is why we're having this conversation. Everything that you do from here on out, you know what you need to ask yourself? Is this something that can result in me potentially going to the state jail facility for 2 years? And then you need to ask yourself, do I want to be at the state jail facility for 2 years? If the answer is yes, then go on doing what you're doing. If the answer is no, then you better start changing things. You understand?
Yes.
Probation, is there anything else he needs? All right. Do not come back here for this again, because what's going to end up happening is a motion to revoke is going to be filed. I'm going to get it. I'm going to review it. If it's in proper order, I'm going to sign it. Once I sign it, what will...
This is the nightmare scenario. A motion to revoke isn't a warning, it's the off-ramp to jail. Once that judge signs it, the case stops being about probation and starts being about prison time.
End up happening is a warrant will be issued for your arrest. Either you will make bond or you will not, which means either your parents will pay your bond or they will not. If they pay your bond, you'll have a setting, you'll come to court. I will hear the motion. If the state proves it's true, then you could be going to the state jail facility for up to 2 years. If your parents are not able to make bond or you can't make any type of bond, you'll be brought over from the jail dressed in orange with the people you see here in the box. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, you better do better. You understand?
Yes.
All right, good luck to you. 2024 CR 2207, State of Texas versus Lydia Joanne Montalongo. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense?
Your Honor, good morning. Frankie Sandoval on behalf of Ms. Montalongo.
And are you Miss Montalongo?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, probation, this is an application. Ms. Montalongo, did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Montalongo, did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? Ms. Montalongo, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with evading arrest, detention in a vehicle? That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication? If for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in prison, and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
We've talked about it, Judge.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do believe so, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
In my opinion, yes, Judge.
Ms. Montalongo, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, there's a $500 fine and the state recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
It is, Judge.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
There have not, Judge.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 4 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 100 hours of community service restitution, and the driver safety course. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contact.
State any evidence.
No objection, Judge.
All right, state you may continue to confer. Did you review the document entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence state's exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is.
Now watch the tone shift. Deferred adjudication is one of the biggest second chances in Texas law, no conviction yet. But it's conditional mercy. Mess this up, and the full sentence comes roaring back.
Sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
In the interest of justice, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, Ms. Montalongo accepts responsibility for this. She's closed out all the other matters she's had, and this is the last one. She wants to begin the process of closing out, especially since if everything works out, she can come back and apply to the court to terminate this early to get on with her life. She's been very diligent in the other matters I've represented her on in completing what's been required there, and I have no reason to doubt that she will not be as diligent in this matter as well.
All right, Ms. Montalongo.
Yes, sir.
All right, so I read in the report that you had medical issues, right? So what's happening with that?
I'm still under that. I'm still going through a lot as we speak. I haven't been able to work. I just went yesterday for my doctor's appointment. I'm gonna have another replacement done on my shoulder. So due to the fact that I got arrested, I had just had surgery, and that made it worse when they handcuffed me. So I had a re-tear. So now I'm gonna have a whole replacement. So I can't actually work at this point.
All right, and then your mental health?
My mental health, I'm doing fine.
All right, are you still on medications for that?
No.
All right, because I saw in the police report that you were. So,
I was going through a rough.
all right. So are you working or not working?
I only do like little side jobs sometimes. I take care of my stepdaughter's grandmother. She's an elderly. She had both legs amputated, so sometimes I go and help her. I do auto mechanics for you, but I do auto mechanics sometimes when I can, or little things, side jobs when I can. Actually, I'm going to the job fair tomorrow. I already enrolled in that.
Okay, awesome.
I had already completed, like I said, I have my other charges, and I was telling him I just completed all my other classes, all my drug abuse class awareness, impact programs. I just finished 89, it was 80 hours. I just finished doing 89 hours of community service. Actually, on the 6th, I just finished doing the other class for the drug awareness. I have all the documentations, everything.
Okay. All right, so here's the thing. In this court, when people are on probation or supervision, in this court, I don't allow them to be home health care providers.
No, that's fine.
Okay.
No, I'm not. No, that's my side job. Yeah.
Well, I mean, I don't allow that. And the reason why is because sometimes people don't know that the people who are coming in their homes have charges pending or anything about them. So I don't allow that because I don't think that's an appropriate place.
It's a family member. I don't.
No, I don't allow that. Okay. All right. There's going to be a $500 fine probated. Court is going to sentence you to 3 years deferred adjudication. I'm going to order the defensive safety course.
I have to retake it again.
If you've already taken it, just provide it to probation, okay? Probation, if she's already taking that as a part of other cases that arose out of this, then that can be deemed satisfied. There's to be 100 hours of community service restitution, proof of employment within 45 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be regular random UAs, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, field visits one time per month for 3 months, then at probation's discretion. Do you have any children or grandchildren?
Yes, I have plenty. I have one question, Judge. I had the other judge on precinct 9 because I was gonna move to Minnesota and work over there with my brother. I was just waiting for this case to,
All right, which county?
I have the,
All right, I'll allow transfer to Minnesota, but you're not transferred to Minnesota until they actually transfer you, okay?
yeah, I understand.
All right, so you said you have grandchildren?
Yeah.
What are their ages?
From 16 down to 10.
All right, and how old are your children?
My children are actually right now, both of them are 32.
Okay, oh, wow. All right, so I'm sure they ask you to babysit? Do they?
Yeah, I get my grandkids to, they love their grandma.
All right, I'm gonna ask for parenting classes. And once she completes the parenting classes, then your community service will be deemed satisfied. You understand?
I have to take parenting classes
Mm-hmm.
because of my grandchildren.
Yes.
Okay.
And let me just tell you why I do that. This is the reason why I do that. You're here for the evading arrest, detention of vehicle, right?
I was driving 45.
I know, but when the police put on sirens behind you and tell you to pull over,
I didn't even know it was for me. Yes, it's fine.
yes.
Listen to this.
So here's the thing. When people come before me, I always try to give them things that will help them improve themselves and that they won't come back. Now, I could just have you do 100 hours of community service somewhere, maybe go somewhere, pick up trash on the side of the road. But wouldn't it be better to maybe do parenting classes? Because you're going to be babysitting your grandchildren, and then you don't have to do the $100 community service. You've done it by doing the parenting classes. You see what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't like to give people community service hours as busy work. I'm hoping the community service hours will be something that can help them improve their life. All right?
Instructor.
Yes, there you go. Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we're off the record. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Thank you.
All right, so in this court, to be successful on probation, communication is key. If you have an issue and you feel as though it's not being addressed, talk with probation. If you feel as though they're not addressing it, you can always come back to court. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Gildardo Ponce.
Good morning.
Good morning. Let me see. All right, probation.
Yes, Judge.
Where are we?
Judge, a status report for consideration for extension was sent to the court last week
Yes.
in regards to some programs that have not been completed. And Judge, you denied the motion, but you asked for him to come in because I believe you wanted to maybe extend them a little less than what they sent it for.
Yes. So when are you going to get these items done?
What's called the classes I can do them today, but it won't start till September.
I'm sorry,
It
what?
won't start till September 27th.
What classes?
There's some drug program classes, DWI or DUI or something like that.
No. Programs not completed. Parenting class.
I already did all of those.
You completed parenting classes? Did you turn that information over to probation?
Yeah, you should know everything.
No, my question is, I want you to listen and internalize what I'm saying. You're saying you completed parenting, yes or no?
Yes.
Did you turn it over to your probation officer?
Yes, we spoke about.
No. Did you turn it over to her? Proof that you've done it.
No.
All right. So here's the thing. Just picking up the phone and telling somebody I've done this class,
Yeah.
that's not enough. You got to turn it over to them. Otherwise, you have not done it.
Okay.
All right. So where are you with your CPS case? Are you in compliance?
Yes, ma'am.
Who's your attorney over there?
I don't have an attorney over. All those, everything that she put on paper, ma'am, I already done. Like I don't. The only thing that's left was just one class that I have to do.
All right. Did you do the BIPP course?
That's the one I was.
Have you even signed up for it?
Yeah, I was signing up actually today on the way over here.
So
That's
this is the first time that you're signing up for that.
Yeah.
And you've been on probation since.
She just gave it to me actually like 2 months ago. I
No,
have everything on email.
no. Here's the thing. You're talking fast,
I'm sorry.
which I'm fine. Nope.
Nervous.
Here's the thing. I'm fine with people talking fast. I'm still going to stop you and break it down. So I know that you've been on probation since 2021, and you're here before me because you are not following through on what you're supposed to be doing, period. You're coming before me and saying, oh, I've done this class, I've done that class, but you haven't given anybody any documentation. So if you haven't given documentation, that means that you have not done it. Now, you have choices to make. They wanted to extend you. How long did you want to extend him probation? They wanted to extend you for 6 months. I don't think you're going to get this done in 6 months. So,
But I've already done everything you're on. I mean, I have everything on email.
no, you haven't done everything. You know how I know you haven't done everything? Because you haven't turned anything in. That's what I'm telling you. I would tell my clients all the time when they would ask me, what should I be doing? I always tell them you have to bag everything up with paper.
Yes, yeah.
You gotta turn it in. You know why? Because I would tell them right now, you know what your trust level is with everybody?
This might be the most honest line in the entire courtroom. Your trust level is less than 0. Probation runs on paperwork. No proof means no progress, and no progress means extensions, violations, or worse.
Less than 0. I would tell my clients your trust level is less than 0. So you have to build up that trust. And how you build up that trust, for example, I would tell them, if you're in the hospital, you need to have documentation showing you're in the hospital. If you're employed, have documentation showing you're employed. And pretty soon, you know what probation is going to say? Oh, we can trust this guy because they've always given documentation. Right now, your trust level is 0, less than 0. Do you understand?
No, yeah. Figure.
Yes.
I did confirm there is a certificate of completion for the parenting class on file. So that one's complete. So what we are mainly looking for him to complete is his BIPP course. And
And I just paid probation off to the owner actually like last week.
okay, I'll double check that. So we really need his BIPP
It's just a
course.
class. It's just a class that I know of, but I'll have everything in document next time.
All right, you're getting extended for 8 months. You need to complete that course. Do you understand?
Of course, yeah. But I mean, I'll have everything documented, like you said. I mean, that's what I really need to do. I'll talk to my
Yes.
sister and I'll see what.
You need to start documenting everything.
Yeah, because I mean, I'm paid.